So now I want to show you a very easy way to just start with neurographic art. I'm not a therapist in neurographic art, so this is how I choose to do it. And I also explore neurographic art on my own way with doodles and centangles. But just in this video, I'm going to show you the neurographic lines. Remember that in nature, there is never a straight line. There's always curves. So that's something you can remember when you draw the neurographic lines. So I put pen to paper on the corner of the paper and I make a curvy line to one of the other corners of the paper. And you can make as many as you like. Don't think, just draw curvy lines. And where the lines meet, cross each other, you make a smoother section. Like I said in the beginning of the video, the nature doesn't have these straight lines, they have curved lines. I do this with every corner inside the neurographic art. This is a very nice way to get creative again, to start up your creativity, and it's very calming and therapeutic. I hope this can help you start with some neurographic lines and art. And thank you so much for watching, and follow along for more creative projects. See you!